This is how you blur face of moving subject in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've already placed the clip onto my timeline where the subjects are moving. To blur the face, head over to the Effects panel, find Gaussian Blur, and double-click to apply to your video clip. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel, and under Gaussian Blur, adjust the blurriness value to your liking. Then, choose a masking option. I'll use the ellipse mask for this example. In the preview monitor, adjust the size of ellipse mask until it covers face. To track the movement of the subject's face, click the stopwatch icon next to mask path. This action will create a starting keyframe. Click on the mask again to highlight it in the preview screen. Then move a few frames forward and adjust the mask according to the movements. Every adjustment will generate a new keyframe. Continue this process until the end of the video. You might also want to try another effect, the mosaic effect. You can experiment with the horizontal and vertical blocks parameters. Just like before, you can add keyframes on the mask path and follow the same steps as before. And this is what you will end up with.